Hello guys, good day. It's Coach Grace again. So in our today's class, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing secrets. Yeah, this is the secret of affiliate marketing that people don't know. The beginner guide to build an affiliate marketing business setup. So now list number one is develop the right mindset. Before you begin affiliate marketing, you need to understand that success won't happen overnight. You must be patient and consis ten t, willing to learn new things, open to make mistake and learning from them, disciplined to follow through with strategies. A growth mindset helps you stay motivated when you don't see the instant result. What I'm trying to say here is this: some people they just want to start affiliate marketing to be a billionaire tomorrow. That is not how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing never work like that, because if you think like that, I don't think affiliate marketing will work for you. Now for example, now let's use Jenny. Let's say Jenny now is a university student, and she decided to start affiliate marketing. She now tells herself, I may not see results immediately, but if I'm consis ten t in whatever I do, within 3 months I will I'll make it in affiliate marketing. But then she have to dedicate 2 hours of her time daily in learning and implicating strategies. It's not that you start affiliate marketing today, you want to be a millionaire tomorrow. It doesn't work like that. If every any like any rich person, every billionaire, any wealthy person, it doesn't work like that. Wealth doesn't come overnight. It come overnight, but you have to work on it. So number two is pick a niche. A niche is a specific area or topic you focus on. Instead of promoting every product, pick a certain niche. If you are passionate about what you are passionate about, what you have good numbers of people that are interested in it, and as that product solve real problems, that is the main key. That product you are selling must solve people problems. For example now, health, fitness, digital marketing, tech gadgets, beauty, finance. It just depends. So let's give an example. Jenny loves fitness and chooses weight loss for busy moms as her niche because it's very specific, relatable, and has products that sells. Obia you get weight loss for moms. There's a lot of mom that want to lose weight, mostly um after those that gave birth. So we'll go to the third one. Select the hot selling product. So what is this select the um hot selling product? Is whereby you choose a product that solve real problems, that have high demand, that people are already buying, that have good reviews and credibility. You get? So you choose a product that solve real problems, have high demands and good review for credibilities. You can find hot selling products on platform like Expertnaira, Digistore 24, Clickbank or Seller. You get? You can find it in Seller, Clickbank, Digistore, Expertnaira. As I stated earlier, I'm working with Seller. They have different affiliate marketing companies, just the one you want to work with. So the fourth one, structure your sales funnel. I stated earlier that sales funnel is a step-by-step journey that takes someone that's from not knowing about your product to become a customer. Someone that a stranger that don't know your product, they will now later, if you build that trust, they'll be your customer and they'll be your paying customers. They'll be your leads, your audience. It usually include awareness, letting your people know about your product, interested, capturing people attentions, desire, convincing them in taking the right product, the right solution, sorry, and action, encouraging them to buy. So the fifth one, get a perfect lead magnet. A lead magnet is something valuable you get away from some from free to collect someone's contact details like email or phone numbers. Like for example, free ebook, checklist, video training. This help you to build their trust and grow your list. This lead market is something like you give away for free to collect someone's contact. When you post, then comment, you give them your WhatsApp contact, then that you ask them to save your number, you save their numbers. So the next one is start generating traffic. Traffic means bringing people to your offer or sales page, bringing people to your page, bringing people to your profile. You can generate traffic through Facebook, WhatsApp, post or ads. WhatsApp, Telegram marketing, blog posts, YouTube video. Just this one is something is just like content marketing. The more traffic you get, the more chance of making sales. Turning traffic into leads. That is our number 7. It's not enough to just get people to click your link. You want to convert these visitors into leads by capturing their emails or WhatsApp numbers, getting them to join your groups or your channels. Once you have them as leads, you can follow up with them later. You get? So number 8 in our list is give them free vibes. A free vibe is something is something small or helpful you can give for free. It will build trust and show you care. It could be a PDF guide, a discount code, or a mini course. As I said, if you it's not always you be collecting a full price. Sometimes you have to just do discount. Like me, I usually do my discounts every first week of a new month. Every first week I usually do discount. So those people that want to buy product from me, they now have money for the complete cost. They will have to buy from me in discount price through the those first week, because I usually do 30% off. Like when I mean 30% off, imagine when a product is 10,000, you remove 30%, the price will be 7,000. So you reduce something for this person. People are more likely to buy from a person who first give them value for free. And since you are giving them that discount price, you give them a PDF guide that will guide them, that will tell them more about affiliate marketing, about what you are doing. If it's about hair care, you give them free guide. If it's about baking, you give them. Next one in our list is list building. So what is this list building is all about? It means collecting contact information, like email, WhatsApp, etc., etc., into a list. With this list, you can follow up, build relationships, send more offers later. You collect their contact information, you save it, they will save it. That is why in anything business, either you have your personal business and you have your personal WhatsApp and your business WhatsApp, so you won't mix them up. Then you send more offers later. Your list is your assets in affiliate marketing. So if you are doing, I don't want to save people numbers, you cry. You save their numbers, they will save yours. Even your social medias, you get them followed, they'll follow. No, you ask them to follow you, you follow them back. That if it suits you. Even your social medias get deleted, your list remain. Even if they delete your social medias account, your contact they remain. Even if your WhatsApp just one tomorrow now they just block it or they ban it, your contact still remains. So we'll be moving into the next one and the last but not the least, lead nurturing. So what is this one all about? It's after getting leads, don't just say them immediately. Take time to educate, engage and build trust. After you get your leads, after you have their contact information, don't say okay I want to say this immediately. You take your time to educate them, to guide them through what you are selling, to guide them. You build up that trust, you engage, educate with them, you guide. It's not that you just come to your contact, you start telling them they should pay money. It doesn't make sense at all now. Then you bring up a success story, your testimonies, helpful tips. You bring what helped you when you started yours, you bring testimonies from others, and you share up your own life story about how affiliate marketing works for you. As I stated earlier, I think it's in my content marketing or authority marketing I started affiliate marketing when I was in my secondary school. So you guys in university, you want to start your business, but affiliate marketing pays. That is what I want to tell you. And this process is called nurturing. It increase your chances of converting leads into loyal buyers. It's not like if you give them your contact, you start telling them they should buy the product, you educate them first. So through this, it bring out loyal buyers. So in summary, affiliate marketing is not just about posting link. It is a full system. It's not just people think affiliate marketing is about post. It's not about posting link. It's a full system. You find the right product, build trust, guide your audience step by steps, offer values before asking for money. Offer values before asking for money. For those people that want to make it sharp in affiliate marketing, offer values before asking for money. If done right, affiliate marketing can generate consistent passive incomes. So that is all for now.